Welcome to Dog Cage with Feeding and Waste Management System for Pet Corner. Now, let us turn on the system. When turned on, the LCD displays the dog food and cleaning water level status. It also displays the current date and time as well as the ambient temperature. Thanks to temperature sensor LM35 in getting accurate degrees Celsius temperature. It is backup powered by uninterruptible power supply just in case of power interruption. Let us go take a look at its 360-degree view. Now, you can see the cage area that has two blower fans inside. This part is the detachable compartment area. It is made detachable for easier maintenance. Inside, you can see the dog food container, the cleaning water container and the drinking water feeder container. Now, let us go to the feed scheduling process. First, you have to press the setting button together with the size button to choose the meal size of your dog. Then press the schedule 1 for the first schedule, together with the hour and minute button, to set the time for the first schedule. After waiting the schedule time for the first feeding, the Gizduino now signals to the relay to power on the DC-geared motor to regulate the feeding process. Now you can see that the LED indicator for the dog food low level turns on. This means that the dog food container needs to be refilled. Let us take a glimpse at the dog food container inside the compartment. The micro switch triggered its contact because the chain pulled a force due to the dog food supply gets low. The stainless matting can also be removed by just pulling. This is intended for cleaning purposes. The dog bowl is fixed in the area. This will prevent the dog from playing or moving it. The cage also features a lighting system connected to the microcontroller. The LED strip will turn on 7 o'clock in the evening and will turn off 5 o'clock in the morning. This will give light to the dog during dim and night time. The cleaning water LED low-level indicator continues to turn on unless cleaning water is being refilled to the container. The water level sensor needs to detect water presence to turn off the notifying LED indicator. The waste cleaning starts every 6 hours. The microcontroller will signal the relay to turn on the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve will then regulate water flow to the waste management area. Water and wastes will then be washed away to the waste catcher. Just remember to throw the waste responsibly and regularly. The UPS or uninterruptible power supply is a backup power supply in case of power interruption. This is essential for the system to run during this case, especially when the dog owner is not around to feed the dog. The save data or program will continue to execute even the system recently shut down. Thanks to real-time clock as basis for the system clock. The feeding module, waste management module, dog food and cleaning water low-level monitoring module, the ventilation module, the control panel module and even the detachable compartment module help together to achieve total wellness of the pet dog inside the dog cage. Remember this, dogs are man's best friend, a best friend that should be treated right and taken care of.